Guys, I'm here in El Cajon and they have this car show every Wednesday. So this is like vintage cars always and they have a party. Look at this one. OMG. Look at these cars. So it's started here across the main. So this is one sport. Oh my god. Yeah. So look at these guys. Look at these cars here. Look at this one. Oh, look at the one coming in. Another one. OMG. Look at this car. And this old car too. OMG. Damn. Look at those cars, bro. Oh my god. Look at these cars. So now I'm gonna go on the other side of the street so we can see more cool cars here. This is every Wednesday, guys. My god. Look at these vintage cars here. OMG. You see? Look at these cars, guys. And this one, look at this vintage car. OMG. Oh my god. This one too. So we're going on the other side. There's more over there. Anyway, we're about to go home, but trying to go down here and see all these car shows every Wednesday here in El Cajon. And of course there's a motorcycle before I forget. This is like Roadmasters and Harley Davidson. Look at this pimpin' motorcycle, guys. See how pimpin' it is. Look at this car too. This is Chevrolet, but look at this pimpin' motorcycle, Harley Davidson. OMG. You see? So let's go on the other side before I head out. So yeah, so this is downtown El Cajon. I just came out in the library to study my homeworks for this week. So yeah, look at this another car here. This is a Volkswagen. I like the yellow one. And then there's more over there. You'll see. Look at this brown car. Isn't it amazing? These cars is really amazing. OMG. Look at these cars. You see these cars here? This is Porsche. OMG. Look at this Porsche car. OMG. Look at this car. Look at these cars. And this one too. OMG. And there's another on the other side of the street. But anyway, I'm gonna go back. Yeah. See these cars. So there's another one over there. There's another one over there, but I have to go out. You see those cars there? Yeah. If you guys want to see car shows every Wednesday here at Cajon. Yeah. There's more on that side. So those are the people that owns the car. These cars are awesome. Look at this car. OMG. Look at this car. Look at this Hot Wheels special edition, guys. Look at this car. Look at this car. I like this one. Oh, this one is for sale. I like this one. I like that one too. I like this one. Yeah, that's porch. So guys, this is downtown Cajon. Yeah, this is downtown Cajon. Where I always go every day. Yep. Yep. Hear me, guys. Yep. And I'm gonna go on this side. Look at this fountain. I like to take a swim. It's too hot here. I think it's 95 degrees. Yeah. So basically every weekend, every Wednesday, there's a show here in Cajon. Starts around 4 and then till I don't know 10, I guess. So yeah, this is where I always like stand. Oh yeah. So yeah, guys, bye.